guys, and happy Amazon Prime Day. I am so excited. These are the 2 days of the year I live for. If you're not following me on Instagram, Lizzie Loves is where you need to go. I will be updating you guys with different awesome deals that I see, as well as compiling a bunch of stuff into a video like you'll see here. So this first video is all about baby products, like postpartum products, things like 0 to 1. Then I'll do toddler and kids, and then I'll do like a home, beauty, and fashion. So you will see a couple of videos here on my YouTube channel of my favorite Amazon deals of the products that me and my family absolutely love. So if you're interested in seeing the baby items, then keep watching. Do want to mention everything that I'm mentioning is linked down below, so feel free to check that out, as well as head to my Amazon storefront. I will be adding items as I see them as well. So let's get into baby items that are at least 20%, if not more. So let's get into it. First thing here is a baby fan. I have 2 baby fans in here. This one is from Sky Genius. We used it all the time with my son when he was a baby, and it is still working. It has a micro USB charger and it clips onto many surfaces. The other fan is right here, and this one is a little different, still micro USB, but you can use the legs to kind of twist onto whatever surface that you like. So we actually took this with us to the beach and it was amazing. So check those 2 out. The next thing I have here is our bassinet that we had my son in, and we will be reusing it for baby number 2. I'm currently 22 weeks pregnant, so that's why the baby stuff is kind of on my mind right now. So this is 42% off. It is Graco Dream Suite, 2-speed vibration. There's also a changer that you can flip, and a basket underneath. So we will be reusing this for our bedroom when our newborn comes. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the Haka. Now this is a manual breast pump you can put on one of your breasts while you are kind of feeding and nursing your baby on the other. Right now it's about 28%, 5% coupon that you can apply as well on top of it. Highly recommend this. Definitely will be using for number 2. If you are planning on pumping, there is a Willow wearable breast pump right now that is on sale. It is about $100 off of it, and you get 2, and it also comes with an app. So if you are interested in that, check that out. I'm debating on the Willow and the Elvie. I think it's called Elvie. So if you have had one of those, let me know which one you like down below. There is a baby puzzle that is on sale right now. This is a wooden preschool kind of toddler thing, so you'll see this on that as well. 53% off. Really like this puzzle. It is all wooden, like I said, and it just helps teach colors, shapes, and numbers as well. If you are having a baby or toddler, you know how messy they can be. So there are some Bumpkins Disney like sleeved bibs, and these are pretty awesome. The Cinderella one right now is about 43% off. Super cute. Check it out if you have a little girl in your life. Another thing I wanted to mention is this coffee cup teether. It is 24% off right now and 5% off coupon you can add on top of it. They also have brown and gray. The pink one though, I'm having a girl next, is what I am sharing with you guys. And this is really awesome too because it has the clip that you can clip on either to their clothes or clip onto the stroller so it doesn't fall off. The next thing I wanted to share with you guys is this Perry bottle. It is 59% off. If you've had a baby or you're going to have a baby, you definitely want a Perry bottle that has the little curve up. The one you get from the hospital only is straight down, so you kind of have to angle it yourself. This just makes it a whole lot easier. There's also a Frida Mom's recovery kit that's also on sale. I think this is only about $31 right now. So check it out if you are pregnant or postpartum. Also wanted to mention this maternity dress. This is a bodycon dress. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors. This one right here is 20% off, and it also has a 10% off coupon, and it just looks really cute. I think it's perfect for the spring, summertime right now, and great for if you just have family gatherings or baby shower. Another cute thing, if you are expecting, is this Pregatini's cookbook or mixologist book. So it comes with a whole bunch of different recipes that you can make a non-alcoholic drink for yourself or for anyone that you know who may be expecting. So this is a really cute book. Right now it's about 30% off. Also have a My New Baby book. If you have a sibling or a first child and you're having a sibling for that child, this is a really good book to kind of entice them on what is happening with a new baby. So that is about 20% off right now. My favorite baby carrier is the Boppy carrier, and this thing is amazing. It has the full front, so it's just all you have to do is tie it around your back, and there's a clip to your back. So it gives more support than a lot of like the Moby wraps and things like that. Right now it's about 24% off, and definitely check it out if you're interested. This is what we'll be using for baby number 2, and we loved using for baby number 1. The next thing I wanted to mention is like a baby puzzle. We got this actually before Jackson was born, but this is definitely one of the first step puzzles for babies. It is the Melissa and Doug roll shape sorter. Right now it is about 36% off. We love ours. It is something we're passing down to baby number 2. So if you haven't checked it out already, definitely do. The next thing here is something that is really good for organization for your little one. These are drawer dividers. And with baby clothes, they're so little, it's kind of hard to organize it. With these, it helps kind of segregate the different sections in your drawers, so you know what are onesies, what are pants, things like that. So I have already purchased this before the deal for my little one's drawers. Right now it is 38% off. Check them out. You can even use them for your adult drawers as well. Another thing I want to mention are these stainless steel kids cutlery. This might be a little bit more toddlery, but if you're looking into a baby forks, spoons, knives, things like that, this is a really great deal too at 21% off. These are our favorite ones. They are stainless steel, so the step up to the plastic ones. I don't see the plastic ones currently on sale, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. Another thing I have here is a flexible mount. If you have the Infant Optics DXR8 or DXR8 Pro baby monitor, this is for you. It's 36% off currently. Definitely something we are looking into. We're hoping to get the Infant Optics baby monitor for our next baby, and this is something really cute that you can tie on to your crib, and that way it is like you can angle the camera into the crib while the baby is sleeping, more than kind of what we did before, which was stand it on a command strip and hope and point it a certain way and angle it. This would make it a lot easier. We right now don't have that baby monitor, so I am not purchasing this right now. But it's definitely something, if I do get that baby monitor, I'm going to check out. Next thing here is the 5-year memory book. We have a memory book for Jackson. This is the one I'm actually have on my baby registry that I'm interested in. This right now is 20% off. It also, I think, comes in a boy version, a teal version as well. So check those out. One of like the most popular baby toddler toys is the Rainbow Stacker. So I found one right here that is 24% off. Currently, right now, it is something I am purchasing for my son to play with. He is about 3.5, almost 3.5 when Christmas comes, years old, but I feel like this is something him and his little sister will have a fun time playing. So either I'll give it to the baby or him, but this is a really great deal and something I know he's loved playing at other people's houses. Since I'm having a baby girl, there are definitely hair bows on my mind, so I have a couple right here. This is from Pro House Store. It is 20% off, and these are hair bow clips. So they have 2 of each color, and that is such a great option if you have longer haired babies. And then there are these head wraps as well that I have on my registry, and this is 24% off currently. Comes in a whole bunch of colors, 18 pieces, so definitely eyeing those. 2 little baby kind of toy book things. There are the big blocks, so these are the big building mega block bags. This is also popular for toddlers as well. It is about 25% off. I have the pink bundle, but there's also a different bundle. The pink one right now that I have linked is the one that is 25% off that I am eyeing. Another thing are these bath books. So these are really nice baby books that you can bring into the bath. They are non-toxic fabric books that are also waterproof, so you can just dry them off. These are really good to, like I said, bring in the bath, bring into the pool with them. They can chew on them, do whatever. My son might even like playing with them as well. That right now is 20% off, and definitely something I'm eyeing for a Christmas present for a newborn. Going along with books, Dr. Seuss has a big bundle right now for the Bright and Early board books, 51% off. You heard that right. 6 books. We have about 3 of them, so it's not worth me purchasing right now. We love Mr. Brown Can Moo. We love the Foot Book. We love Hop on Pop. So the only ones we don't have is Fox and Socks, some Walk It in Your Pocket, and then, oh, The Things You Can Think, I think. So if you're interested in expanding your little one's collection, these are 6 board books, 50% off. Continuing on to like baby and nursery things, if you have a Graco pack and play, I didn't say that those were on sale currently. If they are, I'll link it down below. We need a play yard sheet, so we need new sheets for ours. So I had the aqua one on my registry. Right now it is about 20% off. So I am definitely purchasing that today and getting it so we have an extra sheet. We keep our like pack and play downstairs, and it comes with a little bassinet. So that way they can sleep in it, play in it, and I will always have a clean sheet. This next thing is something definitely purchased today. This is the baby closet size dividers, and I have a boy version of it in Jackson's room. This is the girl version with the flowers. They might have a deal on the boy version as well, so I will link it down below. Currently 29% off, Prime Day deal, and I am purchasing that today because we are getting our newborn like furniture for this room in about 2 to 3 weeks. So I have a whole bunch of leftover kind of baby clothes that I need to start washing and hanging up. So I'm excited to organize with these cute little flower dividers. Next thing, if you do have a newborn, are these baby monthly stickers. So it comes with 24 stickers, has all of the months, and then it also has like just born, my first Valentine's Day, 1 year, my first Easter, things like that. Currently it is 21% off. This is a girl kind of type version with flowers, but definitely something I'm grabbing today. If you have a newborn who is teething, these newbie teethers are really awesome. They have like a cool gel to it so that you can even put it in the fridge and it'll help kind of relieve their gums. This is a 3-pack right now, currently 44% off. Only about $5, definitely a good deal if you're looking for teethers for your little one. Then I also highly recommend these. These are the Munchkin snack cups, and my son actually still uses them. We've definitely graduated, and now he can use and open up like individual bag, but still like them, and they are on my registry right now for baby number 2. Can never have enough. Currently 29% off. A baby toy I have already purchased for baby number 2. We loved it for the first one, is this rattle shaker. So right now it is 20% off. I've already purchased it. I don't know if it was 20% off then, but highly recommend that. And then I have 3 more books for you. There is this bedtime book. It is kind of a touch and feel book. Really love these books. It's on my registry for baby number 2. We do not have the bedtime version. 25% off currently. There is another book that we don't have that I'm eyeing. It is the You're My Little Cuddle Bug. I've heard a lot of people rave about this book for their little ones. Board book is 46% off. Then a famous book that I can't believe we don't have. If you've seen my book collection, you'd be surprised I don't have it too. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom is 43% off currently. Some more baby, like newborn must-haves is this Sleep Dream Sheet. This is from Cloud B. This was kind of the soother we used on top of the Baby Einstein aquarium. And it is currently 11% off, but then there's a 20% off coupon you can add on top of that. There's a couple other versions of it if you're not wanting the sheet, but that is something that we used with Jackson. And then something we are reusing again is the Fisher-Price Snug-a-Puppy Swing, and that is 20% off right now. It is currently upstairs in the attic. I have to clean it, get it all done, but those were perfect for nap times, especially since the rock and play you can't really use anymore. It's kind of off the market. So check this out, 20% off currently. A couple more baby items are our Pooh Bear Bouncer. So we love everything Disney, and the Pooh Bear Bouncer was a registry item we got from a friend for Jackson. Highly recommend it. It is 20% off right now, only $40. Then our high chair that we will be reusing for baby number 2 because it is that good is the Graco Blossom 6-in-1 convertible high chair. We have the sapphire color. Right now it is 38% off. And like I said, it got us through baby number 1 and we'll continue to use it. Highly recommend it. Jackson's newborn crib mattress that he used was from Safety First. It was the Heavenly Dreams crib. He's still sleeping on it now. It's also good for when you extend it to a toddler bed. This is currently 33% off, and there is an additional 20% off for that as well. And it comes in white and light blue. So we had the Graco infant car seat and the Graco Snug Ride Click Connect car seat base that you need to get with it right now is only 32% off. So if you're interested in any of those kind of car seat systems, check out that base. You normally need the base to click your car seat in. A lot of people love when they are nursing are the Boppy pillows. The one that I had with Jackson will continue to use is the Boppy original nursing pillow. I have the notebook detail. That right now is 25% off. It's black and gold, perfect for any boy, girl, kind of unisex kind of thing. And then what I also recommend you guys get with that is the water resistance protective nursing pillow cover. I put that on over the pillow, then the nursing cover. So if there's any spit ups or messes due to leakage or babies, you know babies, you don't have to wash everything. So that is 25% off currently. So that is everything for my top baby Amazon Prime deal products. Everything will be linked down below. Be sure to stay tuned here on my channel today and tomorrow for more Amazon Prime videos and top products that I highly recommend with their deals. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something